Where's the bag?
Inside.
The big bag, my bag, the backpack bag. Good morning, comrades. It is right now 7:30. The plan was to leave at 6:30. I had the great decision last night to go to bed and at 3 a.m. and to try to wake up at 5 a.m. to pack my stuff. Didn't happen. I woke up at 6:30. So we're an hour late. But hey, no risk, no fun. Please, please, please be here. Yes, yes, the most important thing when you go on a flight, the weapon against crying babies. Noise cancelling headphones. Best investment ever. Camera goes in there. Mouse can fit in here, I guess. Oh, this crap can actually go in the big suitcase, I guess, then. Now the biggest concern is hoping that the laptop is charged enough, because we still need to upload today's video. Back down. 9. One-week trip to Finland with Polestar? Possible. Okay, where are we going? Except for Finland. It was Frankfurt, right?
Yeah.
I'll put it on here to the parking spot, which we still need to call, by the way, because I forgot to book the airport parking. And I was thinking, we can do it last moment, just on a website, and then you end up on their website yesterday, and it says, well, for this parking, for these dates, you need to call, and we're available till 8 o'clock. And it was already 8:30. I'm like, fuck! So basically we still need to see if we can have a long-term parking for €30 for a week instead of paying €30 a day. Adrian, you need to buckle up. I know you need to film, but you also need to buckle up. And now let's just hope that we have everything for a week-long trip to Finland. Woo!
So yeah, our adventure starts before even departure from the apex, so that's nice.
Yeah, off we go. Although we're running kind of late, I think we have definitely at least a minute to show you the view since we have this amazing camera right now. Let's quickly hop out. Okay, let's call the parking thingy. Fingers crossed. Oh no.
Herzlich willkommen bei MyParken. Sprechen Sie jetzt bitte auf unser Band. Wir melden uns bei Ihnen zurück.
Mailbox. We're just gonna go there and see and hope for the best. It says don't honk, otherwise we will not open up. Just unload the stuff and sign ourselves up. I think we're in time.
Yeah.
Realize that we have to be in Terminal 2. Great. We made it to our first flight, and apparently Adrian got himself promotion to not only a camera guy and editor, but also a cook. Good job.
Yeah, master chef.
But where? Pierogi?
I have it in the fridge, so we can come to my place and try it.
Good. Sounds good. Hi, welcome to Finland. It's nice here. It's actually not that cold, surprisingly. Happy. I totally didn't tell you why we're here. We have been invited by Polar Racing to participate with ice driving, but they also said they have lots of other side activities for us, such as Finnish sauna, for me a big priority, and food and some other things, surprises. So let's see. Let's go meet Ralph, who is waiting for us right now. Let's go pick up our luggage for a second. So unlike our last adventure to the Arctic Circle in Sweden, where they lost our luggage, this time we got it. Okay, so quickly upload the video and off we go. Full influencer life.
How are you? Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Hi. Hi, nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
I'm Rob. Hi.
Sorry for the delay.
Yeah.
What's the plan?
Now we go to the hotel first.
Yeah.
Bring up the bags, and then I guess we have something to eat.
Yes, good. Local specialty.
Let's see what we can get where we get places.
Good. How long was the drive?
To the hotel now,
Yes.
it's about 5 to 10 minutes.
Oh,
We've got
okay.
10 kilometers. All right, you're up in the second floor.
Okay. We are in our hotel room. Well, me and you. Adrian has his own one. Yeah, we're gonna freshen ourselves up. In 15 minutes, we're gonna go get some dinner. Looking forward to check out some Finnish delicacies. Probably salmon. Hopefully salmon. Fish. Salmon's very good for the gains.
Everything is content, right?
Absolutely. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Cheers.
Welcome to Finland. Approve.
Asparagus, carrots, and peppers. Enjoy.
Well, I guess that's pretty much it for today. The dinner was absolutely mind-blowing. Perfect welcome into Finland. Tomorrow we're gonna have our first ice driving experience together with Polar Racing, so some car content. You had some car content today, but more car content. Sideways car content, snowy car content, awesome car content tomorrow. Woohoo! Off we go! Traction, 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 go, go, go! So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much Polar Racing for a great first day and welcome day, and looking forward to seeing you tomorrow's video, and also definitely looking forward to experiencing this adventure. Hopefully we're gonna have some sauna tomorrow, but we'll see.